Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. Today I'm going to share with you my plans and possibly my makes for Sew Selfless April 23. If you're interested to hear all about that, then please stay tuned. Okay, so in my April challenge roundup, if you didn't see that, I will link it up here. Today's the 26th, so not a whole lot of time left to join any of those challenges, but you still have a few days. Anyway, this is the Sew Selfless April 23 challenge. It's hosted by Adele, Claire, and Crystal. I will link all of their YouTube channels and Instagram accounts in the description box below, so make sure you go and check them out. There has been a vlogger tour for this challenge, so there have been upwards of 2, possibly 3 vloggers talking about this challenge every day this month and sharing a whole host of fabulous ideas on what they're making for Sew Selfless April. So I have actually already completed 2 projects and I want to share those with you. All right, so the first one that I want to share is my mug rug. So I made this following Izzy from Dizzy Quilts and Sews. I followed her tutorial. She put out a tutorial for this exact mug rug. Well, not exact, because I used my own fabrics. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a tulip. So here's the tulip leaves, here are petals, here's the leaves, and then this is just a background. I used, all of this fabric came from my stash, or sorry, scraps from my stash. And I think it came out really cute. It's kind of hard to see because I think my background fabric might be a little bit too busy. If it was a little bit more subtle, I think the tulip would have popped more. So lesson learned for last time, but I will tell you, I'm going to link I'm going to link Izzy's tutorial in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Her description is super clear and easy to follow. And I had FOMO because I saw so many of my friends following along in this tutorial and making really cute mug rugs. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but if you don't know what a mug rug is, basically it's for your mug. So it's kind of a coaster. Anyway, so I used this Tulip Pink fabric for these 2 petals. I used a K facet fabric for the middle and just fussy cut the B. I thought that was cute. I used a generic gingham for that part, and then I used a floral that was mostly green quilting cotton I got from Joann's a couple of years ago. And then this is a quilting cotton that I got from Joann's as well. You'll see all these like squirrely blue lines. I was going to attempt to free motion quilt, and I followed a quick tutorial on YouTube and mine was not working and I didn't have time to figure it out. So I just ended up quilting straight lines. And then on the back, I used this fun doodle quilting cotton that I got from Joann's that I also used in, I don't know if you can see it back there, but my bag that I made, it's Adam's bag last month. So that's what I had used that fabric for. And then the binding, I just used some of my ice dye scraps that I'm using to make my quilt with. And I just had a strip that I could use for the binding. And I thought all of those colors went together really well. So this is a really cute thing you can make. It really didn't take very much time at all. And I am going to gift this to my friend. I have a work trip next week and I'm going up to Akron. And I am gonna wash the squirrely lines out first, but I'm gonna give this to my friend. And I think she'll appreciate it. And I think I'm actually going to make another one for myself because it is quite cute and it was super easy to put together. All right, so the second thing that I made for Sew Selfless April 23 is I finally made my husband's cassette shirt. So I bought this fabric, I think I got it on Etsy, and I was inspired by Carol from Sew Carol. I will link her channel in the description box below as well. But she had made a shirt similar to this for her husband using AC/DC fabric that she got from Joann's. Her husband's a musician. My husband is super into music. He was a DJ when he was in college. His whole arm is tattooed up with his favorite bands. And so I thought that, and you know, I mean, he's an 80s teenager, so cassettes, you know, he knows how to mix a cassette tape, right? So I thought the cassette tape fabric was really cute, and he blessed it. He's really picky with his clothes, so I'm not going to spend time making something if I'm not sure he's going to wear it. So he definitely gave the A-OK for this fabric and this style. Now, I don't know if you recall, but last year it was Adam's challenge to make something for a male person. I made this same exact pattern for my brother with some guitar print fabric, and I had trouble with the facing that time, and I thought it was just me that I didn't put I wasn't very careful in following the instructions. I had the same trouble this time, and so I've just kind of decided I don't care for this pattern. I made this pattern I got off of Etsy from a company called Pattern Smart, and it's just the men's, I forget what they call it, the men's camp shirt or something like that. It came out fine, and he'll wear it. I will need to size up next time. So what we've decided was, once he tried it on, I had measured his chest and made actually a size up from what his chest measurement suggested I should make, but he's got very, very broad shoulders. So it's kind of tight across the shoulders, and which makes it a little bit tight under the arms because it's pulling up. So I think what I'll do next time is measure his shoulders and see if I can get a shoulder measurement on a pattern instead of the chest measurement, and see if that makes a difference. He can still wear this. He doesn't tend to wear this style of shirt on its own, just buttoned up. He tends to wear it open over like a, some kind of a t-shirt. So I think it'll be fine for him, and he'll wear it as is. But just for next time, I probably would size up. Anyway, he has promised to let me film him doing a little twirl. So once I get that, I'll insert it here so you can see how it looks on him.
Do a twirl.
Do a twirl?
Yeah.
Michelle says do a twirl. I'm gonna do a twirl. I think I'm ready for Paris.
I love it.
Yeah, I really like the shirt. I ended up using the same buttons actually that I used on my brother's, because everybody had said that they look like an LP or a record, and I thought that was fitting for another music shirt. So, and my husband loved the buttons, so that came out really nice. And then I put in one of my labels that just says Michelle made it, and I think it came out cute. And so, because I'm not recommending this specific pattern, I did decide to go online and see what other camp style shirt I might recommend, because I do love the camp style collar better than I enjoy sewing it much better than sewing the traditional collar with the collar stand. So, and it's a more casual style. It's more something that my husband would wear on a weekend anyway. So I would like to get another pattern that I would enjoy sewing more. So I have two patterns that I found, one of which I actually already own and forgot about, and it is the Fiber Mood Clement shirt. The only thing about this shirt is it does look like it's a little bit short. My husband wouldn't wear, I don't think he would wear it, because it's not cropped, but it hits a lot higher than a normal men's shirt would hit. So I would probably lengthen this one a little bit. And I am going to give this one a try, but I will tell you, I feel like the collar on this one is a little skinny. And I feel like on a camp shirt or Hawaiian shirt, whatever you want to call it, I don't know, part of it is that it's got like a bigger, not big, but a bigger collar. And this one seems a little skinny, but I will give it a try. It comes with 2 chest pockets, which I think he would like. And yeah, it's just, I'll pop a picture up here of the line drawing and the model photo so you can see what it is that I'm talking about. It's a Fiber Mood pattern, so all of their patterns are very size inclusive, and obviously this is made for a woven fabric and very similar to the style that I made. I know that I enjoy sewing Fiber Mood patterns, so I think I will give that one a shot. The other one that I found is a Simplicity pattern, and I think I just missed a Simplicity sale at Joann's. So I will keep an eye out for the next Simplicity sale, before I picked this one up, but it's the Simplicity Men's S9157, and I'll pop a picture up here as well. And it's another one, it's just a camp style shirt. It's a little bit longer length than the Fiber Mood shirt, so I think this one would probably be more my husband's style. And I'm just curious to see how it's finished on the inside, because I can't tell that obviously from the line drawings. So those are the two camp style shirts that I would recommend over the one that I've made. So yeah, that's all I have to share with you, because like I said, I don't do a lot of selfless sewing. So let me know, are you joining in this challenge? If so, what are you making? What recommendations do you have? Who is it for? Is it something you've made before that was very well received? Share with us in the comments so that everybody can enjoy what it is that you have to share. Wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.